They said you wouldn't make it so far.
My name is Clara, and yeah, I'm a staff at Intelape. Currently, we are having the SkillUp Training. So basically, why we started the SkillUp was when we started Intelape, and after a while, we needed to hire some people to join our team, and we found out that we spent 3 months searching for people that had the skills we were looking for, and we realized that there was a huge gap in the industry. We didn't have people with relevant skills, so to say. So we thought about it, like, okay, instead of us to keep looking for people to join our team, how about we just start teaching people, this particular skill that we spent months looking for people to do that, see ourselves to fill the gap for the future. And yeah, boom, SkillUp happened, and we did our first edition in April. And this is August that we're having the second edition, and it has been really amazing. And talking about the training, for now, I think it is really delivering value, proper value. I think the students are great and they are doing well. They are learning. That's basically, they are learning.
Just let it go.
Hi, my name is Victor. I'm an instructor for the SkillUp Training, and our goal for the SkillUp Training is to expose teenagers to computers and how to write programs for computers. The goal is to expose them enough so that they're able to have the mindset of building things now and in the future. So it's really an exciting program, and as a teacher, I'm very excited to work with these kids. So far, they are beginning to understand the importance of the program and why it is important for their future careers, no matter what they end up doing. So I think that's one of our biggest goals, and we're already achieving that. I'm happy with this program, and I hope that it can continue.
My name is Alex Dato. I'm an instructor for SkillUp Training organized by Intelape, and I'm a 3D animator. So what we're trying to achieve in training is to inculcate the mindset of problem solving into the kids, so that wherever they learn here, they should be able to use it to solve basic problems in the society. One of the goals of training is to ensure that the children take whatever they learn here, and they can also take career paths after the training. By going through this training, children, those that have interest, will be able to choose if they really want to go into animation or programming. But for the animation, which is the class that I take, the children have been really excited because those things they see in cartoons that they watch, they cannot see the process, what goes on behind the scene, how those cartoons are created. So now that they have direct access to the software and how the animation is being made, they cannot see the excitement in the kids. And basically what we taught them was modeling. We taught them modeling, made them to create a paper bag. We started by just creating a cube, then we modified the cube into a paper bag. Then we gave the cube, the paper bag, a handle. So after that, we were able to also give it some color, which we also call material. And most of the children were able to follow along, and they were really smart about it. A lot of the children are very smart. I hardly talk for long before they catch up. So that also tells you that they have potentials, they have latent potentials in them that they can explore, that can help them to get to greater heights in life. After this training, we hope to also let the parents know that they have to, on their own, encourage the children to continue in these paths. After now, it's not just coming to the training and after now they just abandon the skill. This training cannot give them everything they need in animation under 1 week, but what the training does is it opens up what animation is all about for them to see that there is opportunity in this field, and by taking this route they can equally do great things in life with computer animation.
Hello, my name is Intelape. I'm one of the instructors of the ongoing SkillUp Training powered by Intelape. I train students on web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So basically what we're trying to do is just give them a foundation to coding and the making of websites. It's a 2 weeks program. They can't get above within 2 weeks. But if we're able to develop the passion in them, then they can take it up from there by themselves. They can play around with it. Basically, it's going to be like a foundation to the whole thing that you can develop from there. And so far, they are so much. They're very interested. They're enjoying the whole thing, and it's fun teaching them. I actually enjoy teaching them because they find it interesting, and hopefully, they can pick up things from there and develop themselves in it as time goes by. We're catching them early. It's good for them to start now, so that by the time they're like, in their 20s, say, they have a firm grasp. They're able to catch up faster than we did in our time. Something like that. Thank you.
My name is Jeremy, and this is computer skill. Let me say I like it 80%, but it's kind of fun. If I increase it to 90, let me say I like it that much. So things are like making a table, making a bar, putting the holes, putting the ropes, smoothing in the edges, beveling it to straight, and working on projects. Besides this week,
I am part of this SkillUp Training, and I'm learning coding and programming using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This program has really helped me. It has taught me a lot of things on coding, and also it has been fun. Thank you.
And this is not the end of it. We are definitely going to continue. So, yeah, we have another edition coming up in April next year, 2020, and August, and subsequently it continues like that by God's grace. Thank you.